Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Learn with Luke. We're going to walk through one of Xometry's financial offerings, FastPay, today. I'm Luke, Xometry's community and marketplace engagement lead, and I'm joined today by Saifu Muhammad. Saifu, how's it going? Do you want to give our listeners kind of a little introduction to you and kind of what you do here at Xometry?
Yeah, thanks for having me, Luke. So my name is Saifu. I am a group product manager and design manager here at Xometry. I am currently managing the financial services and the different financial products that we offer to our partners.
Awesome. So next I'm going to kind of show everybody that's watching how to get to the actual FastPay articles. All right, cool guys. So this is our Xometry manufacturing homepage. We're going to click into the Xometry Pay knowledge base first. As you can see, we have our FastPay FAQs right here, which we'll touch on here in a second. But first, we're going to come down to our guide where we can click in here and we kind of have a how does FastPay work with a little video introduction that if you're watching this, you can get on the community and you can watch that too for a little more in-depth first look at it. If we come back, we can actually scroll back up to our FastPay FAQs. So here we kind of have answers to what our fee structure is, eligibility, how to use it, and all other FAQs. So I'll kind of stop sharing my screen now. And now we can kind of hop back to Saifu. And Saifu, my first question is, can you kind of give us a little introduction to FastPay?
Yeah, so FastPay is a feature that we introduced a few months ago. It gives partners more control over when they get paid. So with the click of a button, they can choose to accelerate their payout from a standard net 30 to 1 to 3 business days.
Yeah, that's great. So it kind of cash flow. It kind of helps with cash flow, getting cash in a little bit faster.
Yeah, that's right. We knew that partners can sometimes have issues with their cash flow. Maybe they're waiting on a net 90 payment from one of their bigger customers, or they just had to make a big upfront purchase. So we wanted to provide our partners with multiple ways to increase the amount of cash they have at their disposal.
Awesome. So is there a fee for using FastPay?
Yeah, so our current fee structure for FastPay ranges from 1 to 5%, depending on how early in the job's payout they decide to use it.
Okay, cool. So how does this product pair well with the Xometry Advanced Card and Xometry Pay? And would you recommend using them all together?
Yeah, for sure. So, I am a little biased, but we look at FastPay and the card as cash flow solutions that kind of work together. So the card lets you spend money against your active work, while FastPay puts money in your bank account for completed work much faster than the standard 4 weeks.
Okay, cool. So if you were kind of talking to a brand new partner in the Xometry Partner Network, what would you advise to them as it relates to FastPay?
Yeah, so if you're using both the card and FastPay, it's a good thing to remember that any purchases you've made on the card that haven't been settled yet will get deducted from your FastPay payout. And we make those deductions and fees on FastPay transparent in that modal that pops up, so you know exactly how much will be hitting your bank account. We also make it easy for you to choose multiple jobs to do a single FastPay, just as a little quality of life thing. So if you notice if you're looking at your invoices tab in Shop Finances, there are those check boxes on the left. You can select multiple of them and do a single FastPay. Doesn't change the fee structure on these, and so it'll be the same as if you did all at once, but it saves you a little bit of time. And then we've heard from some people around some challenges reconciling this in accounting. And so if you go to the statements tab of your Shop Finances, you can download a CSV of your statements, these payouts that have happened, and that'll help with the accounting of those purchases and payouts.
Awesome. That's a lot of good knowledge right there. So kind of lastly, to wrap up a little bit, do you have any FastPay tips and tricks for our community members that are watching today?
Yeah, so we say that payouts land in your bank account 1 to 3 business days later because we can't predict how long your bank will take to process a payout. But in practice, we've noticed that it's typically closer to 1 business day than it is 3, especially for partners that have been around a while and their banks sort of recognize the payouts. So it's just something to keep in mind.
Yeah, that's awesome. So Saifu, thank you so much for joining us today. I've learned a ton. I'm sure our community members have as well. Do you have any final thoughts or anything?
No, I don't think so. Just thank you for having me.
Awesome. So thanks everybody for watching, and join me next week for another episode of Learn with Luke. Bye.